Hi friends. So I think uh, in previous video, I think we are discussing about the JW module. So as part of that previous video, we completed so web application. Okay, what is a web application? Yeah. So I think already we see, right? So by using JW module, so we can develop, okay, web applications, Java-based web applications, Java-based distributed applications, and Java-based enterprise applications. So we saw, I think, what is the simple Java-based web application, right? A client-server application. Now we will discuss about what is distributed applications, okay, at high level, guys, right? Yeah. Now distributed applications. Distributed applications. Okay, we'll see. So now, distributed applications actually. So after this class, we have Java features, guys. So there also we have distributed. Okay, Java support distributed, right? So that distributed feature we have. So there also we will discuss. Okay, anyway, the topic came, right? So we will discuss here. Yeah, distributed applications. By using JW module, we can develop what? Distributed applications. So what is the distributed applications, guys? Okay, so distributed applications also what kind of client server applications only. Okay, kind of client server applications only. Now let me draw something here. So now this is what, yeah, client. This is what server, client machine, server machine. Okay, here let me write here what some client machine, guys. This is client machine. This is what server machine. Okay, this is what server machine. Now, so I think, yeah, even the normal web applications also what get client server application, a simple Java web application. But here the client is a dummy client. Dummy client means what? It's a just a browser. Okay. So in the server machine, actually we hosted the website, the web application. So in the server machine, we have what software application. But in client machine, we will have what normal browser. Okay. Now the distributed applications also it's a kind of web application only. Okay. But here the client also in the client machine also we have a software application. In server machine also we have a software application. Okay. So the application we deployed in client machine, it will interact with the application what we deployed in server machine. Now, this client machine will act as a client to the server machine. Okay. Now, so we will see. Okay. Let me go with the other way. Now, let's suppose, okay, and we can say one thing is here. So if the functionalities of the application, if you deploy, if you distribute it across multiple machines, okay, the functionalities of the application, if you distribute across the multiple machines, okay, multiple machines, such type of application also called what? Distributed application. Okay, we'll see. What does it mean? Okay, now we have a server machine, we have a client machine, right? So let's suppose, let me take one e-com application. Okay, so I deployed, okay, one e-com application where in the server machine. This is what is e-com application. E-com application like Amazon, Flipkart, like that we have, right? E-commerce applications. Okay, I deployed e-com applications here in the server machine. Okay, let's suppose this machine number 10. Okay, the machine number 10. Now, if you see in the Amazon, we have a big billion days, right? So those days, I think the e-commerce sites, okay, so they are offering some offers. They will put some offers, okay. So those days across the world, most of the users they're trying to buy, okay, some products from these Amazon sites, Amazon or Flipkart sites, right? Now, see here, this is the one client, okay. So in Hyderabad, I have a machine. In my machine, I have opened my own laptop and open one browser. Okay, I open one browser. Okay, so here I open one browser, right? Hmm. Browser, and okay, from here I hit the Amazon website www.amazon.com. Amazon.com. Okay, so from Hyderabad, I also trying to buy something from where Amazon website. Okay, those days. Okay, so like this, we have many people in Hyderabad, right? Like this, many people in Hyderabad. Okay, in their machines. Okay, so they also open web browser and they also trying to send a request. These are what guys clients. Okay, so those big billion days, right? Hmm. These are what clients, guys. So these are trying to send request to whom? Okay, the e-commerce application where it is hosted, the server machine 10. So let's suppose, okay, so from Hyderabad, this is Hyderabad. Let's assume, guys, in the Hyderabad, okay, let's suppose in that day, okay, at a time we got a 5,000 requests. Understand how many requests we have? 5,000 requests we have. Okay. Now this machine is, let's suppose this machine is capable of processing 5,000 requests at a time. This application. Understand? 5,000 requests. Okay. Now, so happily, okay, it is capable of processing this 5,000 requests. At the same time, from another city, let's suppose this is what Mumbai. Okay, this is what Mumbai. From Mumbai city also, okay, again the users, okay, here also again 5,000 requests are came. I mean 5,000 users are trying to buy something from e-commerce application called Amazon. Okay, here also what 5,000 requests are came. Understand? 5,000 requests are came. So now here, let's suppose, okay, we have California from US. Okay, from here also, okay, 5,000 users, they are also sending 5,000 requests. Understand? They're sending what? 5,000 requests, guys. Okay, now, come on. So like this, how many requests are came, guys? Okay, like this, 50,000 requests are came. Okay, so like this, okay, from different cities, okay, most of the people are sending requests, guys. Okay. No. See, um, if you deploy the e-commerce website called Amazon in the one machine, okay, so it can process up to 5,000 requests. But beyond that, okay, it cannot process. So what happened, guys? So by that time, okay, this machine can crash. Okay, this machine can crash. Understand? If your mission cross means what? Everything will go off. Okay, the business will go, right? So now, so for distributed applications, right? Now, what we are doing now to solve that issue, okay? We are deploying the same, okay, the same application. We are deploying the same application into home guys, different servers. Understand? Here, this is also about server machine number 11. Let's assume. This is also what guys? Server machine number 12. Now, the same application, e-commerce application called Amazon, where we deploy in machine 11 and machine 10 also we deploy. Okay, e-commerce application, the same application, e-com app. Okay, right? Now the same application we deployed another parallel two servers, two machines, okay, two server machines. So now what happened now from Hyderabad, if we are sending 5,000 requests, the first server is, okay, taking those 5,000 requests and process those 5,000 requests. At a time, from Mumbai city also, another 5,000 requests are came. Now, first server, okay, the the server machine 10. So this is busy with what? The first 5,000 requests which are getting from Hyderabad city. Now, the another new 5,000 requests are coming, right? These new 5,000 requests are, okay, this load, okay, this traffic switch to whom instead of machine 10, it will switch to, okay, the server machine called 12 guys. Understand? Now, this server machine 12, it will take these 5,000 requests and it will process. At the same time, we will get another 5,000 requests from California. Now, these 5,000 requests, okay, this load, this traffic will switch it to home, will route it to home. Okay, the another server machine called server 11. Understand? So now here also, right? Here it will take. Now, see what happened. See, yeah, the same application, the same functionality of the application we distributed across multiple machines of the, okay, multiple machines. Understand? So we distributed same functionality of the application across the multiple machines. Such type of application is called what? Okay, distributed application. Understand? This is called what, guys? Distributed application. Okay, clear, everyone? Right? So we will see, guys. Okay, so at high level, this is what, guys, distributed application. Okay, this is what distributed application. So here what the clients is what normal browser application only. The client machines, all the clients are what in the client machines. There is a normal browser only. From their browser, they are sending requests. But how many requests are they sending? Huge number of requests are they sending. Understand? To handle the huge number of requests, only one server is okay not capable to handle all the requests at a time. So that's why okay we are having multiple parallel servers. We are deploying the same application into a home, the parallel server applications. Now the load will be what distributed across all the multiple servers. Understand? So they can easily handle all the requests at a time. Understand? So these kind of applications are called what? Distributed applications. Okay. Here in the server applications, we have what? Normal, I mean, web application, website, software application. But in the client side, so there is about thin clients only. Normal browser only they have. They don't have any softwares. Okay. So this is also what is distributed applications. Okay. To develop this distributed kind of applications, okay, in JEE module, we have a technologies called, okay, RMI and EJB. So by using these technologies, we can develop distributed applications, guys. Clear? No. Now, okay. And one more thing I said, okay, distributed applications means it's also kind of client and server application. But in the client, okay, we can have a software application also. In the server side also, we can have a software application. Now, instead browser, now the software application, okay, which we hosted in the client machine, that software application will communicate with our home, the server machine. Understand? So now here what? Client side also we have a software application. Server side also we have a software application. Understand? So those such type of applications also we use it to call as what? Distributed applications. Okay, we'll see, guys. Now, what is enterprise applications? By using JW module, we can develop web applications and distributed application and enterprise application. Okay, so enterprise application is nothing but okay. So enterprise application is nothing but okay. So it's also kind of either web applications or distributed application. We can take combination of web application and distributed application. Okay, enterprise application. Enterprise application, okay, is nothing but the enterprise application is deals with what? Okay, heavy business logic, heavy business logic. I mean, complex business logic. Okay, complex business logic, large scale applications. Okay, so we can call the large scale applications are called what, guys? Enterprise applications. Okay, enterprise applications can be right. Enterprise applications can be okay. Web applications, either web applications, only web applications, or only distributed applications, lessons, or combination of combination of okay web okay and distributed applications. Okay, so enterprise application is what? Say we can take either only web application also we can call enterprise application. Only we can call distributed applications also we can call enterprise application, and combination of both web application and distributed applications also we can call it was enterprise applications. So addition to that, what it will have enterprise application means has heavy I mean complex business logic. Okay, heavy business logic, right? So it's a large scale applications. Okay, those applications we use it to call as what? Enterprise applications. Okay, we will see, guys. One example we will see. Then you can understand what is enterprise application. Okay. Now we will see that on I mean online okay online e-commerce applications only we will take. So all the online e-commerce applications are what? Enterprise applications. How it will become enterprise applications we will see. Now let's suppose here okay. So we have a Flipkart. Okay. This is what? Flipkart application. Understand? This is what? Flipkart application. Okay. Flipkart. So in the Flipkart, okay, from here, okay, I'm trying to buy something. This is the client application. Okay, from here, I have in a browser. Okay, I have in a browser. So here in this browser, I open. This is what? Browser, and open Flipkart.com here, and I purchased something, right? Flipkart.com. I open right from here, and I purchased something. Okay. Now I opened. So just I want to purchase one mobile. So finally, okay. So once we select that the mobile, okay. Once we add it to cart, finally we need to check out, right? So after that, what we need to pay the money. Okay. So here I'm using credit card or debit card. Okay. So here what in the card I entered. Okay, in the my client in my machine, I open browser and I selected one mobile, and finally, okay, I need to pay the money. So here I entered my card details. Okay, now the request will go to whom? Okay, Flipkart. request will go to whom? Flipkart. Now Flipkart, okay, again, the Flipkart, it will take all the credit card details, okay, and now it has to connect with what? Payment gateways, right? So here we have a payment organization called PayPal. Payment organization called what, guys? PayPal. PayPal, okay, right. This is what, guys? Payment broker. Payment broker. Now here this PayPal, okay, now it will have all the payment gateway information. So what are the popular payment gateways, guys? We have, let's suppose, Visa and Master, right? Next one, hmm, what is the other one? Masterio, right? Visa is one payment gateway. Master is one of the payment gateway, and I think Masterio also, okay, another payment gateway. Now, so these are what, guys? Payment gateways. Okay. Now, okay. Now we have each payment gateway. Okay. So now they need to connect with underlying banks. Underlying banks. Okay. Now here we have SBI. This is what SBH. Suppose this is what ICICI. This is what HDFC. Okay. Hmm. This is SBI Bank. This is SBH Bank. Okay. This is what, let's suppose, ICICI Bank. This is what HDFC Bank. Now, okay. So now these payment gateways, okay. So these are the layers, guys. Now, if you see now from Flipkart.com, okay, I've opened in my laptop, I open one browser and I'm sending request to Flipkart.com, and okay, I will buy. I mean, I bought I mean, I want to buy some mobile on that. Now, okay, so here what I'm entering my credit card details, okay, to buy the mobile. Now, these details we will receive, Flipkart.com will receive. Now, Flipkart.com, okay, will send these credit card details to whom? PayPal. Okay, this PayPal is what, guys? It's a payment broker, right? So the Flipkart don't want to interact with all the payment gateways, guys. These are what? Payment gateways. Okay, Visa, Master what, guys? Payment gateways. The Flipkart don't want to interact with these payment gateways directly. Why? So based on the card details, it has to found, okay, which payment gateway it is. Okay. So and after that, okay, it will send all the details. Okay. These details who has to maintain, Flipkart has to maintain. But Flipkart don't want to take that headache. Okay. So that's why there is a payment broker called PayPal. This PayPal is what it will do. It will maintain all the payment gateway details. Understand? It will maintain all the payment gateway details. Now, Flipkart directly approach to whom? PayPal. Now, PayPal will take what? These credit card details. Okay. Hmm. Credit card. Okay. Debit card details. Okay. Now, so here also now the PayPal gateway take the credit, comma, credit, comma, debit, sorry, slash debit card details. Right. Now, so PayPal based on the credit card number, okay, based on the credit card number, it will identify, okay, it will identify appropriate payment gateway. Understand? Appropriate payment gateway. So who will communicate? The PayPal application will communicate appropriate payment gateways. Understand? So if it is a Visa card, then PayPal application will communicate Visa payment gateway. These are what, guys? Payment gateways. Okay, let me write here. These are what? Payment gateways. Okay, these are what? Payment gateways, guys. Now, yeah, will approach appropriate payment gateway. Okay, now let's suppose this is a Visa card, Visa credit card. Now the PayPal, okay, application will interact with what? Visa payment gateway. Now, so the Visa payment gateway, okay, will maintain all the underlying bank details. Okay, so like this, let's suppose, okay, so like this, Mastro HDFC. So let's suppose, okay, now Visa, right? Come on. So these are what, guys? Underlying banks. Okay. Now the Visa payment gateway. Okay. So based on the card number, credit card number. Okay. So it will connect with what? Appropriate bank. Let's suppose it is a SBI credit card or debit card. Now the Visa payment gateway will connect with underlying SBI bank based on the credit card number and the okay. So who issued this one? SBI Bank issued the payment. I mean the credit card. Now it will connect with what? SBI Bank, and it will verify, is it okay valid card? Okay, validity is still, it is active card or not? Okay. So the card number and everything it will verify. Okay, so if everything is valid, then after that it will check. So how much, okay, card limit amount, okay. So how much amount, okay, it is there. What is the limit, okay. Still the limit is there or not there, it will verify. Yes, everything is fine. Then the amount will be deducted, okay. And after that, once the amount is deducted, the SBI Bank will sanction the amount. Okay. Then after that, payment gateway, okay, will reply the response to PayPal application. The PayPal application will send the, okay, response to whom? Flipkart. Okay. The amount, SBI Bank will be sanctioned the amount, and after that, payment gateway, okay, will give the response to whom? PayPal, and PayPal will give the response to whom? Flipkart. Then Flipkart, okay, will take the money. Understand? Will direct the money, right? So then Flipkart will tell successfully, payment is completed successfully. Okay. Then Flipkart will send the response to whom? Okay, the client application, right? Now, so like this, the communication, guys. Okay. Now let me, mm, right? So, mm, fine. So come on, guys. Now, okay, right? Okay. So now, okay, we'll response. From here, we'll send the response to whom? From back, we'll send response to payment gateway. Now, payment gateway will send response to whom? PayPal. And PayPal will send the response to whom? Flipkart. And finally, Flipkart says, okay, your order is placed. Okay, the payment is successful, like that. Now, if you see here, okay, how many layers we have? This is the first layer. right? This is first layer or first tier. You can say first, right? Tier, right? This one what? Second layer. Okay. So this is what, guys? Third layer. Okay. And this is what, guys? This payment gateway completely. This is fourth layer, right? This is completely what? Fourth layer, the payment gateway part. Right. So these banks, what, guys? This is fifth layer. See how many layers involved, guys, here? Okay, 5 layers are involved. Understand? See here, these are what, guys? Applications. Okay. So for that, so let's suppose this payment gateway. The payment gateways, okay. So they will take some royalty, guys, some commission. Let's suppose it's a 2000, right? From 2000 amount, let's suppose the product, okay, and the 2000 amount, okay, the payment gateway will take 1% commission. Even the PayPal, the payment broker, this one also will take some royalty, kind of 1% commission. Okay, the final amount will go to whom? Flipkart. Understand? So like this, these are what? Everywhere the business will be there, guys. Okay. Every layer the business will be there. Okay. See here how many layers we have, guys? 5 layers we have. Okay. Now if you see, this is what, guys? The first layer. Okay. From first layer here, the normal, okay, laptop in the normal machine. In that machine we have a browser. Just we open flipkart.com and we send a request. Now this one is what? Client application. This Flipkart is what? Server application. For this machine, what is the server? Flipkart host. Okay. This application where it is hosted, some machine, right? This machine, okay, will act as what? Server. This one will act as what? Client. Okay. This is act as a client. This is act as what? Server. This is act as what? Server. Now, for this, if you see this layer, okay, second layer, from Flipkart to PayPal. Now, Flipkart is what? Okay, client. Flipkart will become what, guys? Client. So for this client, which one is the server application? PayPal. PayPal application will become what? Server application. Understand? Now here see in the client application, okay, in the Flipkart is what, guys? Kind of software application. Okay, it's a web application, right? Flipkart is what? It's a website. Website means what? Kind of web application. It's a software application. Now if you see now in this client machine, we have a software application. In the paper, this is also kind of what? One application where it is hosted in the another server, right? Now, this software application and this software application is interacting. Understand? Now, this is a, okay, in the second layer in this machine, right? Let's suppose, let me give a machine numbers, guys. Okay. Here, this is what? Machine 1. Okay. Let's suppose this is what? Machine 10. So this is what? Okay. Let me give machine 11. Okay. So here, this is what? Machine 12 example. Okay. So now SBI. This is what? Machine 13. Sorry, 13. Right? Now, see, now the Flipkart application, the machine 10, the Flipkart application we hosted, right? So this one what will become what? Client to whom? The PayPal application. Okay. And the PayPal application in which machine it is there? Machine. Okay, right here. Machine 11, right? Come on, fine. Now, see, now in the machine 11, we hosted what? PayPal application. This PayPal application also what? Kind of software application. This Flipkart application is also what? Kind of software application. Now, in the Flipkart software application, communicating to whom? PayPal software application. Understand? Now, this software application, this Flipkart software application is client. This PayPal software application is what? Server. Now, if you see the PayPal application, to whom it has to interact, the payment gateway. Let's suppose Visa payment gateway. This Visa payment gateway also kind of what, guys? Software application. Understand? Software application. So this one also what, guys? PayPal. This is also software application. Right? Now, SBI. SBI also what, guys? This is also what? Software application. Understand? Now you see, now the PayPal will interact with whom? Visa payment gateway. Now, PayPal will act as what? Client. This machine will act as what now? Client. To whom? Okay, this payment gateway. This is will become what, guys? Server. Understand? This machine will become what? Server machine. Understand? Now, this payment gateway will interact to whom? Underlying bank. Okay. Now, this will act as what? Server to whom? Okay, the payment gateway called Visa. This is will become what, guys? Okay, client. Understand? Now, this one will act as server. Now, for payment gateway will act as what? Client. For payment gateway to bank communication. Now, if you see PayPal to, okay, payment gateway communication, PayPal will act as client. Okay, this Visa payment gateway will act as what? Server. Now, if you see the Flipkart to PayPal communication, okay, the Flipkart will act as what? Client, and PayPal will act as what, guys? Server. Now, if you see the Flipkart to, okay, the normal client, the machine one, okay, the browser. By using browser, we can, we open the Flipkart website, right? So here, this machine one will act as a client, and Flipkart, okay, the application where it is hosted, that will become what? Server. Okay, so see, this is what, guide distributed application. If you see here, web application also involved and distributed application also involved. Understand? So now this Flipkart, okay, to this Flipkart host, Flipkart or Amazon. So this application, okay, so we can host what? A parallel, multiple parallel servers. We discussed right here. So like this, we will host multiple, okay, parallel servers. Okay, why? Hmm. To distribute the load, to distribute the load of requests. Okay, so now if you see here, we have web application and distributed application. Okay, combination of web application, distributed application. So these type of applications we use it to call as what, guys? Enterprise application. See, in the enterprise application, how many layers are involved? Multiple layers are involved. Understand? Entire application. Okay, multiple layer application. So these such type of applications we use to call it as what, guys? Enterprise application. Okay, so by using J2EE, okay, module, we can develop, okay, web application, distributed application, and even enterprise application also. Okay, so what are the technologies we have to develop these applications? Okay, as part of JW module, we have Servlet and JSP. By using Servlet and JSP, we can develop normal web applications. Okay, and we have RMI, EJB. Okay, so by using these technologies, we can develop what? Okay, distributed applications and enterprise applications. Okay, so this is all about JW module. Okay, so now, so as I said, JSC module is what, guys? Base module for JW module. Okay. So this JW modules also internally, okay, they used JSC module to develop this JW module. Okay. Hope you people understand what is JW module. Okay. Now, so we have JW, other module, guys. What is the other module, guys? Java Micro Edition, the last JME, right? JME. Java Micro Edition. Hmm. Java Micro Edition. So Java Micro Edition, this is also, okay, it is an installable software, okay, like JSC module. It is also an installable software. Okay, by using these Java Micro Edition, we can develop, okay, mobile applications. Okay, so we can develop mobile applications, okay, and embedded applications, okay, and micro device, micro, micro device based applications. Okay, by using this Java Micro Edition, we can develop, okay, mobile application, embedded application, and micro device based applications, guys. Okay, but here, see, mobile applications, right? So by using these edition, micro edition, okay, so we can develop like contact notebook, okay, and we have other things, right? Like in the mobile apps, okay, we have different options. So we can develop all these all that applications by using Java micro edition, guys. But nowadays, no one is using this Java micro edition. These are completely outdated, guys. Okay, so alternate to this, we have a lot of other things, right? Android and iOS. Okay, so like this, we have other popular things. Okay, now people are using those to develop mobile applications. Okay, even by using Java Micro Edition, we can develop embedded application. Okay, and micro device based applications. Okay, so let's suppose in the remote also we have a software, guys, right? So now let's suppose we have a washing machine. In the washing machine also, washing machine is what, guys? It's electronic device. In the electronic device also there is a software. Okay, there is a software application is running. Okay, so now those micro device level okay applications also we can develop by using what? Java Micro Edition. Okay, using what? Java Micro Edition. Okay, so I think now no one is using this Java Micro Edition. Okay, so we have some other alternatives to develop. Okay, so these kind of applications. Okay, so this is all about JSC module, Java EE module, and JME module. Understand? Okay. Now, see, micro applications means what, guys? Micro device applications means that suppose if you develop any kind of Java application means what? In the system, we have to use 100% of system resources, right? So now, if you develop one application, the particular machine, okay, and finally what we will do, okay, we will dump that application into home, okay, one what do you call chips case, okay, micro device chips, okay, so semiconductors, right? Those chips we will dump. Okay, now that chip will assign to whom? Okay, that micro device, right? Now the micro device, what in the micro device, the we dumped that application, right? That application will execute. Understand? So like that, in the remote machines and in the washing machines, okay. So like in the we have other kind of micro devices, right? So these applications are executing, guys. Okay, but no one is using this Java Micro Edition, okay, because it's a completely outdated. So we have other alternatives, okay, to develop these kind of applications. But here in Java means what we will learn to JSC module and JW module, guys. Okay, so by using this JW module, we can develop, okay, these web applications and distributed applications and enterprise applications. But nowadays we have frameworks, guys. We have frameworks. Okay. So by using these frameworks, we are developing web applications, okay, distributed applications and enterprise applications. So what are those frameworks we have in Java? We have Struts, Hibernate, Spring. So these are the frameworks, right? So by using these frameworks, nowadays people are developing applications. Okay. So now these Struts, Hibernate, Spring Boot. Okay. These are we have, right, RESTful services. Okay. I mean Java frameworks. I mean Struts, Spring Boot. Okay. Hibernate. These are the frameworks, right? So by using these frameworks, we can develop these applications. But these frameworks are, okay, not provided by Java people, guys. These frameworks are not part of JSC module or JW module. Okay, these frameworks who developed, guys, the third party vendors developed, guys. Okay, so these are quite popular. Okay, by using these frameworks, we can develop, okay, any web applications or distributed applications or enterprise applications very easily. Okay, so because of that, okay, people are running with framework like anything. Understand? Even the frameworks also, okay, based on this JWE, okay, technologies. Internally, these frameworks internally what they are using JW technologies only. Okay, on top of that, they built one abstract layer. Okay, by using that abstract layer, we are developing applications to simplify what? To simplify program. Okay, to simplify the application development, guys. Okay, so by using those frameworks nowadays, we are developing applications. Okay, so what is the advantage of using the frameworks, guys? Okay, so if you use frameworks to develop these applications, okay, it provides it built-in top of, okay, the core technologies like JWC technology, servlets and JSP, JB, we have, right? Already we learned, right? So on top of these, okay, these frameworks are built. But having ability to generate, okay, common logics, okay, having ability, these frameworks are ability to generate common logics of the application dynamically based on the application specific logic what we provided. Okay, understand? Yeah. See, application common logics of the application, who will take care? The frameworks will take care. We no need to write, okay, common logics of the application. Only as a programmer, we need to concentrate on application specific logic. If you provide application specific logic, automatically these frameworks are intelligent enough to generate application common logics based on the, okay, application specific logic what we provided. Okay, so these are what frameworks. Okay, and one more time I'm repeating, these frameworks are not part of any JSC module or any JW module. Okay, it's not at all related to Java. I mean, Java means, I mean, Oracle Corporation or something called Sun Microsystem. Okay, it's not part of these modules, guys. So who developed these modules? Okay, the third party vendors. Understand? Third party vendors, they developed. Okay, so by using these frameworks, you can develop this application, whether web application or distributed application or I mean this kind of enterprise application very easily. So that's why people are, okay, running with these frameworks like anything. Okay, now so we can develop by using JW technologies also, we can develop these web applications and distributed applications and enterprise applications. But okay, if you use these technologies, okay, it will take some time because what? If you want to develop these applications by using these JW technologies, you have to write application common logics and application specific logic also we have to write. Understand? So if you go with frameworks means what? We need to concentrate on what? Application specific logic. Okay. So application common logic automatically frameworks will take care. They will write. Okay, so we will see in detail, in depth while discussing about, okay, this what do you call this technology related, okay, um, the servlets and JSP technologies and as well as frameworks. So that time we will see what is framework and how it will work, how it will generate common logic. Okay, so what is the common logic of the application? What is the specific logic of the application? Everything, okay, in detail we will discuss. Okay, hope you people understand the basic, okay, knowledge on what is JSC module, what is JW module, what is, okay, JMU module. right? Now, yeah, thank you guys. We can close the session now. Okay, we will see the next class.